our South Indian delicacy curd rice. This is very easy to prepare. It's almost every day everybody eat in South India. I'll show you the ingredients now. 1 cup of raw rice which is cooked. 2 cups of milk. Fresh thick curds as required. Fresh cream. 2 teaspoons of oil. Salt to taste. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Black gram dal, that is urad dal, around 1 teaspoon. Broken red chilli 1. Green chilli 1 or 2. Curry leaves. Chopped coriander leaves. Pomegranate. Grated carrot. Kismis. Fried cashewnut is optional. According to our ancestors' method, we have to add the mustard seeds first, allow that to crackle, and then add urad dal. Then only it will have a crunchy taste. It will splutter. It should completely splutter. Heat oil. Add mustard seeds. Black gram dal, red chilli, green chilli. Switch off the stove. Add this Asafoetida, very little Asafoetida. Pour it on top of cooked rice. The rice should be really soft to touch and cool thoroughly before adding milk. Salt, little salt, milk, a little fresh cream for richness. If you want, you can add a dash of butter which gives a taste. This is curds. If your curds is little sour, you can add more milk if you are serving it immediately. Mix this well using your hands. If you are packing it for lunch, mix more milk and less curds. If you are serving it immediately, add more curds and less milk. For special occasions, you can garnish Kismis, coriander leaves, 1 or 2 curry leaves, pomegranate, little carrot, this is again optional. If you are calling people for lunch or any other party, you can use this. Curd rice for special occasions.